Good morning. Wanted to give you an update here from Denver, Colorado, USDA Zone 6. And I have some summer crops planted in between my cover crops, and I'll explain that a little bit. So here's my corn, some sweet corn that I just transplanted over the weekend. And here I have some early spring, late winter sown cover crops. Radishes in there, vetch, rye, pea, wildflower. And on this row I have tomatoes planted between these two. There's also some edible crops in here, some fava. In Europe they call them broad bean. And then I also have sugar snap peas planted along this wall, or trellis, sorry. And then I have some cold crops like broccoli and cauliflower planted with cover crops in these beds here. But I'm going to let these cover crops flower, go to seed. Eventually I'll fold them over and mulch my veggie area here, and then replant this area with more crops, edible crops probably. I'll also use the seed from these that is produced, and I'll use them in my food forest in the back to try to get some of these species established as an understory back there. But since taking this tree tomato here, Tamarillo, out, the ladybugs are cleaning it of all the aphids that were on this plant in my greenhouse. So I'm really glad I brought them out when I did. I think it was the right call. And now they're getting a biological control. The ladybugs are consuming the aphids. They're killers, they're hunters. And the cover crop, if you've seen my previous videos, there's lots of ladybugs in here. And by growing this, creating the habitat for the insects, then when your target crop or your production crop is put with that area or planted in, or then you get those benefits, those shared ecological services. Thanks for watching.